In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the bad debts in Teleprime. As we can see here, on 22nd of January, it says Ryan & Sons was unable to pay, thus treated as bad debts. So I'll go to the gateway of Tele, and from here we can access the vouchers, or otherwise if we are in the daybooks like this, we can access it from here as well by just pressing alternate A, and there we switch to journal. By default, it might show you to or by format. If we want to change this, you need to head over to the corner at the bottom where it says configure, and it says here use credit debit instead of to by entry. If it is set to no, it will show you something like this, but I want to configure it back to debit and credit entry because that is more convenient. It's very simple to add a bad debt expense account in a Teleprime because it is able to provide us individual ledger as credit instead of account receivable control account. So in many other accounting software, it's very difficult to enter the bad debts just because you are unable to credit the individual party account. But in Tele, it's very simple. Let's continue with this. So bad debt expense account, I don't think we have bad debts here. Let's create it. Alternate C, bad debts. It is an indirect expense. Not applicable, not applicable. Control A to save. And the amount of the bad debt is 600,000. And we will credit what? We will credit Ryan & Sons 600,000. Now we will check how we want to credit this. Against reference? No, we don't have anything against reference. That means it's all against the opening balance that we are unable to recover. So let's select on account, select this amount, and we are good to go. And in the narration, I'll just paste this and press Ctrl A, and that's how we deal with the bad debts in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.